Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact, powerful 3D printer designed to make high-quality printing simple and fun. The device comes pre-assembled, pre-squared, and pre-tuned with precision, only taking 20 minutes to set up for your first print. Control everything with the intuitive touchscreen or the Bambu Handy app, where you can view your device and explore a library of designs from the 3D printing community. You can manually load your filament, or with the integrated AMS light system, you can fully automate multicolor printing with up to 4 colors in a single print. Bed leveling, Z offset, vibration tuning, and even belt tension is fully automated. Powered by an advanced motion control, it prints at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second with 10,000 millimeters squared acceleration, while maintaining incredible precision thanks to active flow rate compensation. Its compact footprint and silent mode under 48 decibels make it perfect for any workspace, whether at home, in the office, or in the classroom. The machine can even record your printing project in a time-lapse video thanks to the built-in camera. Start your 3D printing journey today with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. You can shop online or at selected Officeworks stores today.